What's good, YouTube? It's Anthony Lyons back at it again. AL Designs with part 3 of the dope ass golf cart install. We are going to focus now on the subwoofer box along with 2 speakers, 6.5-inch speakers. We're going to have a grill go up in here, some plexiglass, some lights, acrylic, all the good fun stuff, and a little special surprise for the customer. Please click like and subscribe. Go back, look at part 1, part 2, where I finished up these pods. And now on to some bass. So please stay tuned, watch how I figure out how the hell I'm gonna get up in here and make a cool box. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is what we got for the box. This is what I came up with for the subwoofer and the 2 speakers that are going in the compartment and the pictures that you see. We got 2 6.5-inch speakers, and we also have a Marine 8-inch woofer down-fired in this box. The box is actually split up into 2 parts. So somewhere right in here actually splits, and this part is the box, like an enclosure for the speakers. And on this side, it actually continues as an L shape this way to get the airspace for the subwoofer. Subwoofer, it came out to about 0.4, a little over 0.4 cubic feet of airspace, which should sound pretty good. Now I'm gonna go and start the mounting process, get it all mounted, and then we're gonna have a really cool grill that goes on the back. So please stay tuned for the dope ass golf cart. All right, so as you can see from the pictures, all the mounting is complete. The subwoofer and the 2 speakers, all that is bolted in solid for the mock-up. Now for the grill. Speaker grill is going to start off with some curves. These from Mobile Solutions, they have these little curved pieces, ABS templates. Because it's so small, I don't want to get my fingers caught up in that bad boy. I purchased the Mobile Solutions shield. This shield allows me to safely cut these pieces, at least get it high enough so that I don't mess up my fingers and end up in the ER. These are gonna have to all be cut out. I numbered them, but I think it's up to 26. Yeah, 26 of these pieces will make up the left and right curve of the grill. So stay tuned as I cut out every single one of these and router them out to look like that. That's number 1 and 2. And again, we're making a grill, a nice grill back here that's gonna light up. It's gonna have plexiglass and label plate, all that stuff. So again, stay tuned. Gonna do a little time lapse on all these damn pieces getting cut. So stay tuned. And there you have it. That's a wrap for the speaker grill on the golf cart, all finished. As you can see from the previous pictures and videos, how everything was put together. Got the EZGO logo, grill, black acrylic to match the speakers, and the black acrylic up front. Clear plexi, so it lights up around the edge, and the lighting's all tied in to the Rockford Fosgate app, so they go together with the front speakers. 6.5s in the front, 6.5s in the back, along with the subwoofer. Again, this is part 3. Stay tuned for part 4. Do the final finale of this dope-ass golf cart where we add some accessories, armrests, trailer hitch, underglow lighting, and a bunch of other little goodies. So please click like and subscribe. Check out part 1, check out part 2, and then this video here, and part 4 is coming soon. So please stay tuned. From Anthony Lyons, AO Designs.
What